Hey guys, welcome to Connect Dots. Today we are going to solve bulls and cows problem, and it's a easy problem. So basically, they are here. One guy he will be having a number, and he will ask his friend to guess his number. So when his friend guess a number, he compare with both of the number and with even with index. So if the index digit of his number and his friend matched, so it will be called as a bull. If index doesn't match but the digit is available in his number, so he will call is cow. And they mention that their number will be only digit. Okay, so guest number, that his friend will be having a guest number and the guy will be having a secret number, and the length of both the secret and guest will be same. So here 1 at 07 and 7 at 01. So secret and index 0 is 1, secret and index 0 is 7. It is not matching, but 1 is available here, so it is cow, and 7 is available here, so it is cow. Again 8 at index 1, it is at index 1 is 8, so it is matched, so it is a bull. And for 0, it doesn't match, but it is there, so it's a cow. And similarly for 7, right? We'll move to the implementation part. So let's one more example I will show you how we have to implement the logic. So it's a secret and it has a number this, and guess it has a number this, right? And index is below 1, right? And similarly we are going to use map nothing but the array of integer. And similarly for a guess map, so we'll have digit 0 to 9. And similarly for guess map, right? We'll start and we'll have two variable bull and cow. We'll initialize everything will be initialized with 0, right? Cool. And right, and cow will be initialized with 0, right? We'll start with index 0. So if we see secret index 0 is 1 and guess index 0 is 7, uh, it's not same, right? So what how we need to how we will get to know that whether this number is available in a guess? So for that we are using a map, right? So count of will check whether the guess has 1 or not. So guess what he will do? He will check at index 1. If the count is more than 0, it means it has, right? And similarly secret will check the guess digit whether his index 7 has count more than 0, so it means uh, it will have. So right now all are 0. So secret of 1 will increment count, and guess of 7 will increment the count, right? Because right now none of them has others number, right? And index 1 is the 2 and index 1 is the 8. We'll check the index 2 is having in guess or not. So guess of 2 is 0, it means it's not there, so again increment 2. And similarly for it, it's not here, will increment 1, sorry, it should be 0, right? Cool. Now we'll check at index 2, it's a 3, and it index 2 it's a 9. So 3 is not available uh, in guess, so we'll increment it 1. And similarly for 9, we'll increment 1. We'll go to the index 3. So index 3 is the value 4 and index 3 is the value 4. Wow, so it's the same, he guessed the correct. So for the hint, what he will do, he will increment the bull. Now we'll move to the index 4. It has 5, right? So guess will check whether it already has or not. So it doesn't have, right? So what it will do, it will increment secret will increment their 1. And now the guess will compare whether the 2 is already in secret or not. So secret will check whether his at index 2 count more than 1 or not. Yep. So it is a count more than 1. It means it's a cow, and he will decrement his count to 0, right? And we'll move to the index 5. So it's a 6. We'll check again, it is not there. So will increment, and similarly 3 will check, yeah, it's a count 0, right? So he will decrement 0 and he will increment cow. So answer will be 1a and 2b, because they are saying that a will represent the bull and b will represent the cow. Okay, we'll move to the implementation part. So int has secret map is equal to new int 10, and similarly we'll do for guess, and we need a two variable, that is bull will initialize to 0 and cow will initialize to 0. Will iterate int I is equal to 0, I less than secret dot length plus plus I, right? Will take what are the digit, so s digit is equal to secret dot char at of I will subtract by character 0, will get the number, and similarly we'll do for guess guess digit, right? And okay, if sd matches guess digit, will say that it's a bull, he guessed correct, right? Else if it is not matched, but we'll check whether guess map secret digit count is greater than 0, then it's a cow plus plus, and guess map of sd we will decrement. If it is not, else sorry, it's a array, right? It will say else s map of sd plus plus, right? Now we'll check for secret map has the guess digit or not. So if a count greater than 0, so it's a cow, and s map of guess digit we will decrement from the secret map, right? If it is not, then we'll simply will say that um, increment guess digit, right? Okay, so I feel that okay, we need to return even, right? Return um, first we need to take bull and then bull count, and that will represent by a, and cow count, and that will be represented by b. So you can use the string builder here. No, that is not a worry, I just directly add, because string will take care of that. It will convert integer to string. Smap line number 30. Oh sorry, it's a array. Okay, cool. Now we'll run. Cool. We'll submit it. Okay, we'll check. Wow, it has accepted. So that pretty much about this. So the only thing is that we need to take care the previous number that we have already visited, and that will be done by this map. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.